George, you know, touch the food and you know, say nothing at all to me when you come home.
Me? If I say something to you? I think you did supposed to say something to me. I know you don't answer my question yet.
When we reach home, you don't tell me say you want something to eat. So I expect say you're gonna sit and eat, and when you finish, we talk.
Jen, I'm not hungry, babes. I just need to know who that brother is.
Radcliffe is an ex-boyfriend.
Radcliffe, Morgan. Come to think of it, you did tell me about that person here already. So, tell me, what do you do? Just plan to make an idiot a king because you claim you're your cousin and him come and right after the bat, him just say you're it's a pre-planned thing to make a fool of king.
George, me never once tell you say my cousin, you know. I told you he's a family member.
Jen, now do me that something. Please, don't do me that something. Family member, cousin, where is the friends? And why is it that as soon as me get locked up, you have your man?
Ex-man. Let me make it clear. Ex-man, me and him not involved no more.
After that behavior that what me just said, the man come literally a flexing muscle. You sure it's not next man you want to say instead of ex-man?
George, me did intend to tell you.
Intend? Let me tell you something. The road to hell is lined with good intentions. My question though is, what really did I stop you?
George, Radcliffe has been a thorn in my life for most of our relationship. I think I did get rid of him, but when he pop up here, so it totally confused me. I didn't want to tell you, but when I sit down and consider what you go through down at that place there, I decided not to tell you until you come out. Was it the right decision? Maybe not, but it was a decision that I made and decided to stand by it. I know say you hurt, George, but we can work through this.
Jen, so why me home for a whole week and you still not say nothing?
I think I get rid of him for good. See the amount of pain him caused me since him come back. I just didn't want to forget about him.
Pain? What him do? Him touch you?
George! Please, baby. No, please.
What you talking about? Jen, a boy touch you, a boy violate you, I can send him a message.
See why I never want to tell you nothing? Especially when you're in another place there. Tell me something. If you did not say my ex-man there at my place and violate me when you're in a prison, what you da do?
Where I would have done? I'd have show him how long King reaches.
And you think me would have alright with that? For no say you stay in a prison and order the death of somebody outside. Fear sentence double?
Yo, King now wear training wheels. We know if I do the thing and still stay clean.
The same thing you did that thing when you kidnap the girl and end up in a lockup. Because you think you could have beat the system. And the man who vouch for you, you'd have put him in a problem again.
So Jen, tell me something. How you want me to handle this now? Now that me have all this information. What you suggest?
Babe, I don't want you to handle it. Me handle it already.
Handle it? And this boy turn up on the bar a flex? Yeah, when we handle things, boy get silent, proud, not talk to nobody else but God.
Babe, I know you say when they look stressed when they come up for you. That's one of the reasons why I did stop coming up for you. I never want you handle my burden.
Tell me something. When you fear about that you tell, what is it about him why you just think you shouldn't tell me?
You mean, apart from him being a notorious criminal and linked with different type of drugs, Lord, him the plan to expose me. That's the only reason why I make him stay in here. Babes, you know some of the things that I'm doing in my past when I'm have to remain hidden. I'm gonna really want that go out.
What you say? Yes, I'm really gonna take it.
Yes, babe. And the Radcliffe Morgan and me know, very vindictive.
Radcliffe Morgan. I like.